All right, let me start over. I just did a 10-minute video, forgot to turn it on record. So here's going to be the finished product. Well, this is kind of a dry fit. I was going to put these, get this over here so you can see better. I was going to put these mitered pieces, the mitered corners. I was going to put them all around this way, around all four corners. Let me get this a little better. Yeah, that's all right. I'll do it this way. I was just going to put them around the whole thing, but that's just kind of too thick, and I think it's overkill. So I'm just going to get a small strip of wood to glue and little brads, put little nails in there. I made a template for the top out of some construction paper, transferred it to this, and found my center, put my center here. That's the dowel. I think you can see that. Yeah, that's the little, that circle represents his hole here. And then these four holes are actually going to screw down into the log with these long, I don't know, 3.5, 4-inch screws, wood screws, and that's going to give it a lot of stability. I've already tested it out and done it, and it's really strong. I countersunk them like that so that the screw heads, these screw heads, are not sticking above the counters, the wood, the countersink. You countersink it so the head's actually below the wood. That way, when I put this on, it's not going to be, it'll be flat, perfectly flat. And that's about it. This is going to actually go like this. This will end up going on top like that. And then you can see I'm going to actually have this screwed. I've already got the screws drilled. Countersunk. Did a pilot hole through here. And I'll show you a little tip. When you want to attach a piece of wood like this to this wood, but you don't want the screws coming through the surface, you want to keep this nice and clean, the best way to do it is, this is your pilot hole. So you can see the screw is only this deep, maybe a little bit deeper, but it's not going through the surface. Let's see if you can get that. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. But you stop at the tape mark when you're drilling. And so the actual hole is only halfway through at the most, maybe 3/4 at the most. And that's the way to protect your good surface. And that's about it. This will glue onto here and screw it on here, give it a lot of stability. Then I'm going to screw it on from underneath, and that'll be it. I need a lip for here and some wood strips for here. Maybe. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. But it's almost done. Man, I'm going to have a pizza party because this... I don't complain a lot, but man, I've had my fair share of tests and trials the last few months. So it's really put me behind on a lot of things, and so I feel good. I'm starting to catch up. Feeling good about what's going on. Anyway, that's it for this little part. This is part 2 or 3 or 4, something. I think it's part 2, 3. And when I'm all done, I'll bring you back on here.